But see, one of the problems, once again, big error, every time you ask me about me. Say, do I see something? Say, what's true for me? What's it, It's irrelevant, has nothing to do with you in any case. Saying what's true for me is a lot like what's true for you. You see, I see with the eyes and hear with the ears. I eat and drink and feel. I like good conversation, whatever. See? Curious about stuff. Yeah. Pretty good at logistics. I've only met one person better than me at logistics. And that was Laura. Because she was also kind of, obsessive personality. See, it's not the person you should be considering. Like I tell people, it's like, well, you want to be, you wouldn't, how do I say it? What goes on in my experience, or my consciousness, or my mind is probably not the same as what goes, it's not going to be the same as what goes on in your mind, your consciousness, your experience. It's not going to be the same. It's going to be different. But stuff goes on in any case. That's what mind is about. That's what experience is about. And consciousness is just consciousness. It's all consciousness. See, so it's always a mistake. Because when you ask that kind of question, you're asking for an answer. And the answer is not going to do any good. Because you wouldn't understand it anyway. See, you're looking for a vision, you're looking for an ideal, probably, and you're looking for a form or formula, and or answer, and that's not useful. Yeah.
Actually, it's cool to contrast my experience with your experience.
Yeah, I know. But there's no way to do that because you can't grasp my experience,
yeah.
You see, so the answer is not going to do it.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please consider joining a workshop. They're more powerful than you think.